Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi crab meat. Start by cooking and seasoning 2 cups sushi rice, then chill it briefly. Prepare your crab filling by shredding 8 crab sticks or 200 grams real crab and mix with mayo and a touch of lemon. Assemble rolls or nigiri with gentle pressure, slice cleanly, and serve with soy sauce and pickled ginger for a fresh finish. Begin by shredding 8 crab sticks or 200 grams real crab into fine pieces for an even texture. Fold in 2 tablespoons Japanese mayo, a squeeze of lemon, and a small pinch of salt to brighten the flavor. Taste and adjust with a pinch of sugar or a dash of hot sauce if you like heat. Keep the filling chilled until assembly to maintain firmness and freshness while you prepare rice and nori. Lay out a sheet of nori and spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice, leaving a 1-inch margin at the far edge. Arrange a line of crab filling across the center, then use a bamboo mat to roll tightly but gently, sealing with a little water. Chill the roll briefly for easier slicing, then use a wet, sharp knife to cut into clean pieces. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.